Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic LUNC coin. Now, Terra Classic CEO Duno was arrested, and recently Duno have just recently pulled out $2.15 million from crypto currency. Now, millions of dollars in crypto before bail decision. Duno appeared in court in Montenegro court recently, and then according to the recent published, according to Montenegro newspaper, he actually got a bail based on 436,000 US dollars. He began withdrawing crypto coins from his wallet. He withdrew about $400,000 worth of stable coins and $150,000 worth of Terra Classic from a personal wallet he managed himself. Now, about $1.6 million worth of stable coin was withdrawn from an Ethereum wallet, making it a total of $2.15 million. That's about 2.86 billion coins. Now, for me, I think Duno recently, after when he was actually arrested, that affected Terra Classic LUNC, and recently started pulling out a lot of money even out of Terra Classic, which I know this action will definitely affect Terra Classic more. When he got arrested, it affected Terra Classic. Now that he's actually withdrawing money from cryptocurrency, especially Terra Classic, it will also further affect Terra Classic. So this news has been everywhere that Duno have actually withdrawn $2.15 million from Terra Classic coins. Will definitely affect this coin, but let's see what goes on before the end of this week. Let's see what the news will definitely bring for Terra Classic coin. But I'm very certain that though the amount $2.15 million is not really a huge amount, because when you compare that to the amount that was put out earlier, but I still believe that it's not good for Terra Classic, especially now that Terra Classic is facing a lot of challenges. Please remember to share this video, like video, and once again remember that this video is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decisions.